So guys, here is the installation of the outdoor unit. So this is when I'm done fixing my outdoor bracket. So because I did not want the video to be too long, that's why I have to fix the bracket first of all. So this is when I'll be doing the coupling. So first of all, I need to arrange the pipe so that it will enable me to couple the copper pipe to the indoor uh, pipe. So I have to arrange it and make sure it couple perfectly. And after coupling, I still have to do a proper checking of leakage on the line so that there will not be any leakage on this line. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and don't forget to follow this page. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, follow this page, like, and also share the video so that others can see and also benefit from it. Thank you. So this is when I'm doing my coupling of the copper pipe. So guys, I have to use my adjustable spanner in locking it perfectly. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and don't forget to share your own opinion under the comment section. Thank you. Kami na ibibenta. Okay. Thanks, Tika. Do you want to wait for office? No. No, leave it.
From this one, double design.
Oh.
Okay, that one double design.
Then you paint it.
Yeah. Uma carinha assim.
So guys, at this point I'm done installing the outdoor unit. So thank you for watching the video to this very point, and please don't forget to follow this page if today is the first time you're coming across this video, so that you see more of this video. So thank you for watching.